Hello everyone, how are you and welcome to Avit Shiksha. So are you excited for today's class? Aji class okane ready? Okay, very good. So ami kori ki asilo, let us do a quick recap. So ami ki kori asilo, okay? So ami already eta class korilu. This is class 9 science. Ami bohi asu chapter 1 chemistry. Chapter 1 or naam hoise matter in our surrounding. So we already did one class. Ami already eta class kori thoisu. So here last class to first of all attend korisa na. I hope you attended that class. Jodi nai kora, in case jodi nai kora, then I suggest that hey class to ebar kori dua. Okay? Because directly second class less jodi jump mara, you may or may not understand few things. So a quick suggestion that jodi agor class to kora nai, please pause here, go back and watch that class, okay? And by chance jodi korisa, by chance no, I hope tumalke korisa. So jodi korisa, then let us begin our today's class, right? Azir class to start kora agota, let's do a quick recap ki last class ami ki korisilo. So recap, last class okay, so chapter naam ki hoy matter in our surrounding, okay? Last class ami discuss korisilo surrounding ki hoy. Surrounding ot ami je things bo dekha pao. He things bilakok scientist ki naam disile. Scientist said that these things are matter. But I simply things boli koi thole no hobo. We need a proper definition of matter. So ami discuss korisilo what is matter. Okay? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Occupies space mane ami volume boli likhibo paru. So matter is anything that has mass and volume. Almost everything in this universe is made up of matter. Almost everything is made up of matter, not everything. Okay, why? Because ami human emotions, energy, abstract concepts, eblagok ami matter boli kobo nuaru. They do not have mass, they do not occupy space. So ami matter boli kobo nuaru. So almost everything in this universe is made up of matter. Aru matter ki hoy? It is anything that has mass and occupies space except for energy and abstract concepts. Tar next topic ot ami pohisilu the physical nature of matter. Physical nature of matter ot there were two questions. Duta questions ama khudha hoisile. Question number 1 is that is matter continuous or is matter particulate? Aru tar answer ot ami koisilu the matter is particulate in nature. Yes? Ami eta experiment to korisilu. Small activity ami korisilu, right? And second question to amar asile these particles of matter, these particles ami first of all gom palu that matter is particulate in nature, mane matter consists of particles, right? So these particles, how small are these particles? That was our second question. So second question answer ami koislu that the particles of matter are very small. In fact, they are small beyond our imaginations. Thik ase? So I hope tumalke hetu class saisa, hetu class attend korisa and hetu class bujisa. Jodi in case nai buja, if you have confusions, doubts or anything, you can always ask us. But jodi tumalke hetu class clear ase, if you are clear with that class, then I hope you can do this question as well. Tumalko eta quick test anisu. Okol pohi thakile to nohobo, nijoke test koribo lagibo. So ehinta question eta ase, which of the following are matter? We have A tamar ase apple, B tamar ase thought, C tamar ase coal and D tamar ase air. So these four, apple, thought, coal, air. Bookot aru bahut ase options ase, but moi particularly A sarita di thoisu paru. So now test yourself. Matter definition to pohilu. Kunbur substances matter hoy, kunbur substances matter nohoy, ami hekhiniu discuss korisilu. Now out of these four, which are matter, which are not? Jodi dekha pone okman side ola hi goisu, take a quick look at this and then you think of an answer. Okay, lagile class to pause korilwa, think for an answer and then answer to amar tolot dhuniyago comment section likhi janaba. Okay, any doubts, any confusion, hekhiniu tolot likhi dibo para and I'm there for you. Okay, moi tumaloko help karone ako in depth explanation doani. ठीक है सर? So this is for you. Try this question and today आजी class ot ami ji koribo goi asu hedu start koru. In our today's class we will be starting the characteristics of particles of matter. Previous class ot ami junto first activity discuss korisilu monot ase na? Monot nai jodi ako ebar sai lom baru. In that activity what we did is that we took a beaker, right? আমি beaker এটা লৈছিলো ধুনিয়া সাফা transparent glass beaker এটা লৈছিলো in that beaker আমি পানী ঢালিছিলো and we marked the level of water level to আমি mark কৰি দিছিলো লৈ লোৱা sketch pen লোৱা marker লোৱা এনেকে ধুনিয়াকে mark কৰি দিছিলো then we added salt add কৰিছিলো salt add কৰা পিছত we stirred the solution stir কৰিছিলো stir কৰা পিছত ইয়াৰ observation to কি আছিল মনত আছে নে গুটেখিনি so the observation was the level of water will remain the same একনি already পঢ়ি থৈছো so মই আকৌ in depth যোৱা নাই খালি ওপৰৰ পৰা কৈ দিছো পইণ্ট খিনি okay so কি আছিল the observation was that the level of water remains the same increase নহয় decrease নহয় it will remain the same and from this activity আমি গম পাইছিলো যে matter is particular in nature or matter is made of particles right in this same activity মই আৰু এটা পইণ্ট কৈছিলো that we can explain this observation only if there are spaces in between the particles of matter কৈছিলো না volume increase কিয় হোৱা নাই because the particles of salt the particles of salt যেটা আমি add কৰিছিলো those particles will get between the spaces of the particles of water হয় না if this is the suppose these are the particles of water okay these are the particles of water আমি যেটা salt add কৰিছিলো salt particles বোৰ ক'ত যাব এই spaces বিলাকৰ মাজত সোমাই যাব yes spaces ত সোমাই যাব as a result total volume increase হোৱা আমি দেখা নাপাও okay so particular in nature logote the particles of matter have spaces in between them yes now that does not mean that one beaker of water তোমালকে 1 kg চেইন ঢাল দিবা and then কোবা যে ম্যাম সক এটা volume to increase হল no at মানে for some extent only this is applicable okay out of our way যদি গৈ প্লাই 1 kg চেনি ঢালি দিউ that will not work okay so our point was that it is particulate in nature and space particles are mazat space ase so our first characteristic of particles of matter etue hoy the first characteristics of particles of matter the first characteristics is particles of matter have spaces between them okay activity to last class ote discuss korisilo he karone moi akko gute to bujai dia na okay I hope tumalko monat ase hekhini so the first characteristic is that particles of matter have space between them let us assume ki space nai janiba okay let us assume space nai janiba so in this beaker ekhni loke pani ase thik ase jodi ami dhori lao je space nai tate then particles of water enakoi thakibo space okonu nai see okonu space nai so ami je salt ba sugar add korisu extra koi ami je add korisu he salt ba sugar particles hini uporot fall koribo uporot ahi pla land koribo right ekhni ahi pla land koribo hi and volume increase hole tena but ami volume increase dekha nai that means spaces ase okay so the first characteristics is that particles of matter have space between them these spaces determine the state ki state or kotha koi asu what state are we talking about it determines the state of matter how okay these spaces determines the state of matter states of matter manat asana ba previous I mean junior classes to ami pohisu what are the states of matter boli jodi kwa hoy then we have solid we have liquid and we have gases right states of matter so the spaces will determine the state of matter jodi space bahut beshi ase particles er majot jodi bahut beshi space ase see particles er majot bahut beshi space ase in that case it will be gas gases have very high spaces bahut space ase between the particles okay so it will be gas jodi particles er majot space ase kintu imanu beshi nai okoman kom koi ase suppose like this. Space ase, but in case of gas jiman space asile, gas ot koi okman kom space ase, then it will be liquid. And jodi okono space nai, like this, okono space nai, itur logot hitu particles bor ekebar touch hoy ase, in that case it will be solid. Okay, so the first characteristics is that particles of matter have space between them, and then these spaces determine the state of matter. Mane এই spaces or উপৰতে depend কৰি আমি ক'ব পাৰো যে the matter will be solid, will be liquid or gas. Okay, and since these spaces particles of মাজত আছে, সেই কাৰণে we call these spaces to be interparticular spaces. Okay, এইখিনি আমাৰ future classes ত আৰু in depth discuss কৰিম. Okay, আজিৰ কাৰণে এই দুটা পইণ্ট মনত ৰাখিবা. In our future classes we will discuss it more better. Okay, so space first characteristics বুজি পালা? Very good. Now next characteristics to solve যাও. Next we have characteristics number 2. Number 2 we have particles of matter are continuously moving. First of all আমি গম পালো যে matter is particulate, matter is made up of particles. Then আমি গম পালো a particles they are very very small and they have spaces in between them. এতিয়া কথা আহিছে that the particles, suppose I am a particle, okay, I am a particle, so মই এটা জায়গাতে ৰখি থাকিম নে I will move. Suppose I am a particle, then মই এটো জায়গাতে ৰখি থাকিম, like নাই মই এইখিনিতে ৰখি থাকিম. So am I static? Are the particles of matter static or are they moving? So the answer is the particles of matter are continuously moving. They are not static. Okay, they are continuously moving. আমি তো কেনেকৈ গম পালো বাৰু? Let us do an activity again. Okay, এটা আমাৰ day to day life আমি experience কৰিয়ে থাকো. Suppose we are in a room. ইমানো ভালকৈ অকা নাই, ধৰি লোৱা this is a room. Okay, and room or এটা সাইডত this is your study table and we are studying here. Okay, then তোমার mother আহিলে নহলে তোমার father আহিলে, and then কি কৰিলে in the opposite end of the room incense sticks জ্বলালে. Incense sticks, you know, এনেকুৱা দেখাত incense sticks ধূপ বুলি কও বা আগৰবত্তি বুলি কোৱা হয়. Yes, so in the opposite side of the room incense sticks জ্বলাই থৈ উলাই গুচি গল because he does not want to disturb you. Yes, তুমি পঢ়ি আছা এনেকে দূৰত একেবাৰে opposite side কি হল incense sticks জ্বলাই প্লে উলাই গুচি গল. Then after some time we get the smell of incense sticks. আমি smell পাও নহয় ধুনিয়া গোন্ধায়, গোটেই room তো ধুনিয়া গোন্ধায়. Yes, তুমি তো এইখিনতে বহি প্লে পঢ়ি আছা. Yes, you are studying in your study table and incense sticks কি হয় খুসকাই ফুৰিছে নেকি? Obviously no. Incense sticks বিলাকো তো এটা জায়গাতে ফিক্স হৈ আছে. Yes, still আমি smell তো কিয় পাই আছো? It is because incense sticks যেতিয়া light কৰা হয়, যেতিয়া জ্বলোৱা হয়, the particles, the solid particles turn to gaseous particles. Now this conversion solid to gas কেনেকৈ হ'ল হেতু আজিৰ ক্লাছত ডিসকাস নকৰো. ডিসকাস কৰিম, এটো চ্যাপ্টাৰতে ডিসকাস কৰিম, কিন্তু আজিৰ ক্লাছত ডিসকাস নকৰো. Okay, in our future classes we will discuss. So কি হয় whenever we light an incense stick, কি হয় these solid particles they turn to gas. Okay, these gas particles they mix up with air particles. Atmosphere ki thake air ase. Yes, so these gaseous particles of incense sticks, this is the incense sticks, these gaseous particles of incense sticks they will get mixed with the air in the atmosphere, and air jetia move kore these particles also move, and then ami smell to pao. Okay, so the conclusion to ki hoy that the particles of matter are continuously moving. নহলে আমি smell না পালো হেতেনে, যদি particles move কৰা নাই আমি smell না পালো হেতেনে, but we are getting the smell. ইমান দূৰত আছে, you are studying here, ধূপ জ্বলি আছে এইখিনি, but still we are getting the smell, মানে the particles are moving. Yes, so our second characteristics is that particles of matter are continuously moving. Now এটা মুভ কৰিবলৈ এনাৰ্জি এটা লাগিব. Yes, আমাক কাম কৰিবলৈ এনাৰ্জি লাগে, আমি মুভ কৰিবলৈ এনাৰ্জি লাগে. Yes, so particles also need energy, and the energy related to the movement is known as kinetic energy. See, second point likhi thua ase, the energy related to movement is known as kinetic energy. This kinetic energy is very very important. A kinetic energy to first of all to ami physics to use korim. Okay, physics ot yar amar eta dangor application area ase gutekhini ami bhalkoi pohim. Okay, so kinetic energy ki kore, it depends on certain factors. Kinetic energy, it is the energy related with motion, নহলে related with movement. So আমি যদি কৈ আছো কোনবা এটা বস্তু মুভ কৰি আছে, it is because of his kinetic energy. Okay, kinetic energy কথা আমি আৰু in depth discuss কৰিম, but আজিৰ ক্লাছত নহয়. আজি simply word to লগত চিনাকি হইবা, ঠিক আছে? So the kinetic energy depends on certain factors like the state of matter, temperature and density. আৰু বহুত ফ্যাক্টৰস আছে যাৰ ওপৰত ডিপেন্ডেন্ট হয়, বাট ক্লাস 9 লেভেলৰ কাৰণে আমি এই তিনিটা পঢ়িলে হৈ যাব. As we move on to higher classes, আমি আৰু ফ্যাক্টৰস পঢ়ি যাম, আমাৰ ৰেঞ্জ, আমাৰ নলেজ ৰেঞ্জটো আৰু বহলাই গৈ থাকিম. বাট ক্লাস 9 ৰ কাৰণে this much is sufficient. Okay, so this kinetic energy কেনেকৈ ডিপেন্ড কৰে on state of matter, on temperature, on density, হেতু অকমান চাই লওঁ. State of matter, আমি পঢ়িছো না state of matter বুলি ক'বলৈ গ'লে আমাৰ মাইন্ডলে বেসিক্যালি কি আহে? Solids, liquids and gases. Yes, solid, liquid আৰু gases or particles বোৰ যেনেকৈ আছে, আমি characteristic number 1 ত পঢ়িছিলো that the particles have very less space in solid. Yes, মই হিন্দা লিখি থৈছো বাৰু, it has very less space in solid. The spaces are very much high spaces, very great spaces are there in gases, and liquid or ki hoy solid ot koi besi ase kintu gases ot ke kom ase, so intermediate. So intermediate spaces. Okay, spaces, gas or example to loisu, gases or spaces bahut besi ase, spaces between the particles, so they have enough room to move around. Yes, so তাহাতে মানে মুভ কৰিবলে তাহাতৰ বহুত স্পেস আছে, বহুত জায়গা আছে, so it is very easy for them to move around. Solids on the other hand, solids or particles, so they are packed, একেবাৰে জায়গা নাই lots of হবলে, see like this or like this, lots of হবলে একেবাৰে জায়গা নাই, so their movement is what? Almost negligible. Movement almost negligible মানে আমি ক'ব পাৰো that the kinetic energy is very less. Yes, so kinetic energy depends on states of matter. Yes, then kinetic energy depends on temperature as well. Temperature jetia increase hoy, kinetic energy also increases. This is one of the reason why incense stick jetia loke ami nojolau, dhup jetia loke ami nojolau, dhup jeniba ami nojolwa goi corner eta thoi disu, ami gundhotu iman bhalkoi napam. But once the incense stick is lit, এবাৰ যেতিয়া আমি জ্বলালো, then আমি রুমৰ একেবাৰে দূৰত, একেবাৰে opposite side ত থলেও we will be able to get the smell, because kinetic energy of particles depend on temperature. Temperature increase হলে kinetic energy will also increase. ঠিক আছে? Then kinetic energy also depends on density. Density কি হয়? I hope তোমালোকৰ density word to শুনি পেলাই at least কিবা এটা general idea to আছে সাকে. Density মানে হৈছে the degree of compactness. Particles বোৰ যিমান ওচৰত থাকে, যিমান compact হৈ থাকে, that degree is known as density. Okay, so density যিমান বেছি হ'ব, higher the density, kinetic energy will be low. Okay, clear আছে? বাকি diagrams মুছি দিছো বাৰু, বহুত confuse হৈ যাবা নহলে, কোনটো বস্তু কি হয় ধৰিবই নোৱাৰিবা. So এইখিনি মনত ৰাখা. Second characteristics হয় the particles are continuously moving. কেনেকৈ গম পালো? Incense stick or example. Yes, the energy related to movement is known as kinetic energy. This kinetic energy is dependent on what? Certain factors ওপৰত dependent হৈ আছে. Factors like state of matter, temperature, density. State of matter আমি পঢ়িছো, like space যাৰ কম থাকিব kinetic energy কম হ'ব. Temperature বাঢ়িলে kinetic energy বাঢ়ে, clear আছে? Density যিমান বাঢ়িব kinetic energy কমিব. ঠিক আছে কেতিয়াবা কোৱেশ্চনছত সুধি দিব পাৰে যে আমি কুকড ফুডৰ স্মেল বহুত দূৰৰ পৰা পাম okay even though the food is মানে kept very far away তেতিয়াও আমি গোন্ধটো পাম for example তোমালকে পঢ়ি আছা next roomত your mother is making food তোমাৰ মায়ে কিবা এটা বনাই আছে suppose বহুত টেষ্টি বনাই আছে তথাপিও ইমান দূৰৰ মানে next roomত বনাই আছে but still we are getting the smell why are we getting the smell because the particles are continuously moving okay so যদি আৰু অকন ভালকৈ মই অকল হিন্টটো দিছো ওকে গুটে আনসাৰটো দিয়া নাই গুটে আনসাৰটো তোমালকে ফৰ্ম কৰিবা okay answer formation যদি দিগদাৰি হৈছে বা if you need a better answer for that written form যদি লাগে then you can always comment down okay I am there for you তোমালকৰ হেল্পৰ কাৰণে আছো so তোমালকে just সুধিলে হ'ব কথাটো ঠিক আছে মই অকল হিন্টটো দিছো answer formation টো কৰি লবা so the answer is because the particles are continuously moving this is the second characteristics আৰু এটা characteristics আছে particles of matter আৰু এটা characteristics আছে okay আৰু বহুত আছে কিন্তু ক্লাস 9 ত আমি তিনটাই পঢ়িম দুটা যদি পঢ়ি ললো আৰু এটা পঢ়িম number 3 we have particles of matter attract each other attract ito hituk dhori rakhe okay let us take an example okay for example let us take something solid oman solid bostu eta lolu senba for example books na lage কি বুলি কওঁ a log of wood ললো জানিবা ঠিক আছে কাঠৰ টুকুৰা এটা ললো so the particles of this woodৰ মাজত particles আছে right yes গুটেখিনি অকানাই বাৰু এটা লাইন আকি থৈ দিছো বাকিখিনি তোমালকে ফিল আপ কৰি লব ঠিক আছে so wood is what আমি পঢ়িছো matter is particulate মানে woodতো particles আছে yes now these particles আমি wood যদি আমি ধৰি পেলে একে সিম্পলি যদি পুশ কৰি দিও আমি wood ধৰি আছো and then ওপৰৰ সাৰফেসটো আমি যেনকে আমি অকল এনেকে ব্ৰাশ আউট কৰি দিছো then woodৰ particles টো উৰি যাব নেকি আমি দেখা পাম নেকি যে woodৰ সপৰা এটা এনেকে উৰি পেলে পৰি গলগো কৰবা no wood stays intact right a log of wood stays intact yes so why does it stays intact আমি তো এনেকে ওপৰৰ পৰা ব্ৰাশ আউট কৰি দিলে like a piece of wood does not just fly away fly to the hoi na jay yes so a piece of wood will stay intact why because the particles of matter the particles of this wood they attract each other now this attraction is a attraction to hoi ase ei attraction to kisumanar karone kom hobo pare kisumanar karone beshi hobo pare for example wood or the attraction of particles bahut high hoy in cases of gas for example gases or this attraction is very less but that does not mean ki attraction nai attraction sobore ase okay every particle of matter they attract to one another okay kisumanar kom ase kisumanar beshi ase hekhini ami aru in detail ot pohim but aji okol characteristics to pohilo thik ase so particles of matter attract each other the attractive forces is known as interparticular force of attraction particles or মাজত attraction হৈ আছে right এটা particle এইটা particle বুলি ধৰিলা এটা particle ইটো particle কি কৰি আছে attract কৰি আছে এনেকে ধৰি আছে ইটো হিটোৱে yes they are attracting each other so particles or মাজত attraction to হৈ আছে so that is why it is known as interparticular force of attraction ঠিক আছে this force determines the state mane state of matter yes determines the state of matter how koi dile to na hobo na bujibo lagibo how does it determines the state of matter so solids have high force of attraction solids have high force of attraction he karone solid like etukura hoy thake like we cannot break them off easily they stays compact pura intact hoy thake yes for example the log of wood it stays intact hoy na hoy etukura hoy thake because the forces of attraction is very high in cases of gas the force of attraction is very low okay and for example smoke loi lo কৰবাত ধোঁৱা ওলাই আছে যেনিবা আমি সিম্পলি এখন হাতখন লৰালে স্মোক কি হয় আতৰি যায় না এনেকে দূৰলৈ গুচি যায় we can clear out smoke yes why because the forces of attractions are very low then ahi jay liquid or force of attraction ki hoy it is lower than solid but higher than gas he karone intermediate boli likhi thoisu clear ase so the force determines the state of matter how solids are attractive force to very high hoy interparticular force of attraction very high hoy he karone shape to intact thake yes that's why it has a definite shape a definite volume gases the interparticular force of attraction is very low he karone it does not have a definite shape it does not have a definite volume liquid it is somewhere in between mane solid ko kom thakibo but gases ko besi thakibo this force of attraction thik ase so these are the three characteristics of particles of matter ki asile ba number 1 ki asile particles of matter have spaces in between them yes okay then number 2 ki asile number 2 asile that the particles they move around yes they are continuously moving kinetic energy ami pohisilu the energy related to movement yes number 3 etu hoy they attract each other the particles of matter they attract each other okay so jodi quick summary lage then this is a quick summary characteristics of particles of matter number 1 they have spaces between them number 2 they are continuously moving and number 3 they attract each other thik ase baki hini examples to pariba kune kar logot depend hoy ase hetu ami next class in detail pohim jete ami states of matter pohim okay aji okol terms or logot introduction hol next class he terms bilak kuntu kar logot dependent hoy ase kyo dependent hoy ase keneko dependent hoy ase tiniuta state ok ami compare kori pele dhuniya koi pohim thik ase aji introduction to clear kori lua in our next class we will do a better deeper understanding of these terms thik ase so aji class or karone imane asile I hope this class was interesting it was helpful for you yes so I will meet you next class our next class ami pohim the states of matter thank you for joining